Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to start our second topic from the writing skills, that is letter writing. Okay, so I hope you all know what is letter writing. Letter writing is an important channel of communication between two people who are geographically distant from one another. In the early times when the telephone and email were not available, the only means of communication between people was through letters. So, letter writing is a skill that has to be developed. In general, there are two types of letters. First is formal and second is informal. Formal letters are written to convey official business information, whereas informal letters are the personal letters to communicate with friends and family. And we have to follow a specific format while writing a letter. And there are different formats for both formal and informal letters. So today we are going to deal with informal letter writing. Today we will learn about how to write informal letter and what is the format to be followed for informal letter. Okay, I hope formal letter and informal letter is clear to you. That formal letter is written to a business, a college, or any professional that are not considered friends and family, whereas informal letter is a letter you would write to a friend or family. So our main focus will be on informal letter today, that we will learn how to write a letter to a friend or family. How what is the format to be followed while writing an informal letter. So let's discuss the format of an informal letter. So first of all, sender's address should be written on the top. Sender address, the person who is writing a letter, means writer's address. Okay. Yes. So first of all, we'll write sender's address, which is followed by date. If it is suppose today is 5th May, so we'll write 5th May 2020. Okay. It should be in the format. Date should be written in a proper format. If you are writing May 5th, 2020, that is also okay. If you are writing 5th May 2020, that is also okay. Then salutation. If you are writing a letter to your mother, dear mom. If you are writing a letter to your friend, dear Anuj, dear Reena. Okay. Then body of the letter, which is the main part of the letter where we convey what actually we want to convey through our letter. Then complimentary closing. You can use either yours lovingly, yours affectionately, or yours sincerely. You can choose any one word out of three, and after that, your name and signature. So, I hope the format of informal letter is clear to you. So, first, what you're going to write? Your address. As you are the sender, you are writing a letter. Sender's address means your address. Okay. Then date. After that, salutation means greetings. Then body of the letter. Complimentary closing by either writing yours lovingly or yours affectionately or yours sincerely. Then your name and signature. Except the body of letter, everything should be on the left hand side. Okay. So let's discuss about the body of letter, which is the main part of the letter where we convey our message. Okay, let's see. Body of informal letter. It may or may not be divided into parts. In informal letter, there is not a strict rule that you have to write in 2-3 paragraphs. It is your choice. So either you write in complete one paragraph or you may write in two parts. It is not a strict rule, it is completely your choice. It should be in a casual tone. Okay, use contractions like I haven't instead of I have not. Means, so we were discussing body of a informal letter that it should be in a casual tone. You may use contractions like I haven't instead of I have not. You may use exclamatory sentence, and you should write it in an active voice. Okay, now sometimes the question arises how to start the letter. Start the letter by asking about person's health, like how are you? I hope you are fine. Or I hope you and your family are in the best of health. So either choose first line or second line. You may start your letter by asking about person's health. Okay, if you're writing a letter to your friend, you can start like this also. How are you? I hope you are fine. Or I hope you and your family are in best of health. I hope starting of a letter is clear to you. Then the question comes, if you are replying a letter, if you received a letter from your friend or your mother, how will you start the letter if you are replying a letter? For that, you may write like this also. Thank you for your letter. I am fine here and glad to know that you are fine too. Or I am glad to hear that you are doing fine. Okay? Now the question comes how to state the purpose, how to convey the message. You may start like this. The reason I am writing this letter is to tell you about, okay? Or I am writing this letter to let you know about my suggestion or opinion about whatever is the subject given to you in the letter. This is the way you can state the purpose of your letter. Then, how to end your letter? You can use closing remarks like, I hope you will consider my suggestion. Take care. Then, I am looking forward to hearing from you soon. Or, I hope you will reply me soon. So these are the closing remarks. You can choose any one out of three to close your letter. So I hope the format of informal letter is clear to you, that how to write an informal letter. I have given you worksheet related to informal letter, in which I have given you two letters. Out of two, one has been solved for you, and second one you have to do in your rough notebook first. Get it checked by your parents and then do it in your fair notebook. Okay, and before writing the letter, just go through this format again and write the letter in proper format. Is it clear? I hope today's lecture is clear to you. Thank you and take care.